Hello friends, in this video I am going to start power screw, the design of power screw. In this video I am going to discuss what is meant by power screw and what are the advantages and disadvantages of power screw. So let us begin with the definition. So what is power screw? A power screw is a mechanical device which is used to convert rotary motion into linear motion and transmitting power. So what is power screw? One thing is a power screw is a mechanical device. Second is it is used to convert rotary motion into linear motion. And third, it transmits power. There are three elements in the definition of power screw. That is, it is mechanical device, it is used to convert rotary motion into linear motion, and it transmits power. So this is the power screw. You can see the threads of power screw, trapezoidal type of threads are there. So this is a nothing but simple power screw. Now what are the applications of power screw? So there are four applications. Let us see one by one. So first application is it is used to raise the load. That is to lift a load or to raise the load. So what is example? Example is screw jack. Screw jack is screw jack is used to raise the load or to lift a load, because screw jack is a simple machine. So this is the simple screw jack. You can see at the center there is a power screw. When handle is rotated by operator, this rotary motion of handle is converted into linear motion of power screw, and load is lifted and or raised or lowered as per will of the operator. So this is the first application of power screw, that is it is used to raise the load, and the example is power screw. Screw jack. Now the next application, that is second application, is it is used to clamp a workpiece. Second application is clamping of workpiece. Now example is bench vise or any vise which is used to clamp a workpiece. That is example of power screw. So this is one of the example. It is a bench vise, and you can see handle only from outside, and in inner side there is a power screw. When operator rotates handle, the rotary motion is converted into linear motion, and this movable jaw can move forward and backward as per application. So the second application is it is used to clamp a workpiece. Now third application of power screw is it is used to load a specimen. It is used to load a specimen. Example is universal testing machine. So there are two power screws are present in universal testing machine. You can see in this diagram. In this diagram you can see 1 and 2 power screws are present in universal testing machine. So when load button is start from this control, movable jaw move upward and downward. This linear motion, movable jaw get linear motion from rotary motion of power screws. So this is the example in which power screw is used to load a specimen. Then the next application is fourth application. It is used to obtain accurate motion in machining operations. So in machining operations where accurate motion is required, for that operation power screw is used. For example, lead screw of lathe machine. So this is the example of lead screw. So this is the lathe machine, and the first you can see there is a power screw. That power screw is used to get accurate motion in gear cutting operation or thread cutting operations. So this is the fourth applications of power screw. So these are the four applications of power screw. Now let us see what are the elements of power screw. So there are three elements of power screw. One is a screw. So what are the elements of power screw? First is screw. Second one is nut. And the third one is part which holds either nut or screw. So in order to get rotary motion into linear motion, or in order to get rotary motion from linear motion, or in order to get linear motion from rotary motion, you have to fix one part, that is screw or nut. So that part is also element of power screw. So power screw has three elements: screw, nut, and part which holds either nut or screw. Then the next the question arising from this discussion is how power screw operates. So there are two ways. One is the screw rotates in its bearing while the nut has axial motion. Screw rotates in bearing. It is rotating in stationary bearing, and nut has axial motion. This is one condition. Then the second way to operate the power screw is the nut is kept stationary and the screw moves in axial direction. These two are the methods to operate a power screw. In these two ways, power screw can operate. Now the screw rotates in its bearing while the nut has axial motion. Now the next point of discussion is advantages of power screw. Now what are the advantages of power screw? Let us see one by one. First advantage is the construction of power screw is compact, because there are no more number of parts are there, only screw and nut, and there are no more dimensions for power screw also. Only you can find out you have to find out core diameter and nominal diameter, etc. All other values are standard for power screw. So the construction is compact because no more parts, less parts are there. So compact construction. Then the second advantage is simple to design. Why it is simple to design? Because there are no more parts and no more dimensions also. Therefore it is simple to design. Then the next advantage is easy manufacturing. It is easy to manufacture. Only turning operation on rod, and then you have to cut threads on circular rod. This is only the operation. So it is easy to manufacture. Then the next advantage is provides large mechanical advantage. So in case of power screw jack, the effort applied by operator is very less. In that very less effort, that power screw can lift a more load, that is in terms of tons, that is 20 tons, 30 tons, 50 tons. So in less effort, screw jack or power screw can lift more load. Therefore mechanical advantage is large. Because what is mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage is load divided by effort. load lifted divided by effort applied. Therefore, mechanical advantage is large. Then the next advantage of power screw is it provides highly accurate linear motion. It provides highly accurate linear motion. Therefore, it is used in lead screw of lathe machine. Then the next advantage is smooth and noiseless service. If the manufacturing is accurate, surface finish is smooth, and proper lubrication is provided, then the operation of this power screw is smooth and noiseless. You will get smooth and noiseless service from power screw. Then the next advantage is self-locking property. It has self-locking property. Then the last advantage is large load carrying capacity. It has large load carrying capacity. Then the next point is disadvantages of power screw. First disadvantage is very poor efficiency. Why very poor efficiency is there? Because there is surface contact between threads of screw and nut, so that more friction is there in between threads of screw and nut. So a rapid wearing is there. A rapid wear takes place of screw threads or nut threads. Therefore, very poor efficiency is there. Then the next disadvantage is cannot be used in continuous power transmission. Because there is a rapid wear, you cannot use this power screw in continuous power transmission because losses are high. Then the next disadvantage is high friction causes rapid wear of threads. So this is the main disadvantage. So these are the disadvantages of power screw.